Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to invite you to my next launch called Video Agency Funnels, which is the first ever funnel builder on JVZoo that is specifically and exclusively created for agencies and video marketers, okay? Now, the two hottest topics right now on JVZoo, as you know, is agencies and videos, and I combined them in one product, bringing you the first ever funnel builder specifically for agencies. Now, what is this all about? It's going live on March 15th, okay, at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So mark your calendar for March 15th, 11 a.m. Eastern time at 10:30 Eastern time. There's going to be a pre-launch webinar, and we're doing a massive $7,000 opening contest, okay? So if you win the opening contest, you get $4,000 straight up. Second place gets $2,000, third place gets $1,000, and there's also going to be a closing contest as well, okay? So as you can see, we're really stacking the deck here, trying to make our affiliates the most commission possible, right? Now, with this funnel builder does everything that the other funnel builders know, that you know out there, right? Click funnels, lead pages, you can create landing pages, thank you pages, and all that stuff, right? That is cool. But our funnel builder is specifically for agencies and local businesses. So we preloaded our funnel builder with beautiful, stunning, professional website templates for local businesses, okay? CrossFit gym, spa, contractors, doctors, you name it. Then you as an agency or your audience, they can customize these websites to their liking and to their clients' liking and fully customize it. But in addition to that, all these niches, we're also loading our funnel builder with done-for-you video templates, okay, for all these different niches. Like I said, plumber, gyms, contractors, doctors, you name it, right? So not only do you get the done-for-you website that you can customize, you're also getting the done-for-you video template as well. So professional website, professional videos, you can customize everything. And of course you can do funnels, lead capture funnels. You can do thank you, you can do webinar funnels, all kinds of cool funnels that you can then sell to businesses, right? So if you're an agency, if you're a local marketer, you can generate leads, you can generate more profits, you can sell these websites, okay, to local businesses for thousands of dollars. If you're a freelancer, you can sell them on Fiverr or other freelance sites, for example. And your customer, the local business, they're gonna save hundreds and thousands of dollars not having to have to hire a web design company, not having to hire an actual video company. They don't have to pay aggressive hosting. They don't have to pay monthly fees to ClickFunnels or something like that, right? So the benefits is just like, it's a crazy offer. It's helpful. It's needed right now with the pandemic. Every business wants to have a great representation online with a beautiful website that they can customize and also a beautiful video, right? So that's kind of in a nutshell. Obviously, there's hundreds of features. It's fully cloud-based, well supported. We even have revenue and cost prediction built in as well. We can predict the revenue and cost for your clients, for example, and many, many other features that we're going to add to the JV page here ASAP so that you can see them. There's going to be a demo video, and I think you're really going to like what you see here. With me, as always, you know there's going to be a highly congruent funnel. There's going to be a white label upgrade, okay? You can expect OTO1 conversion. I can almost promise it now and almost guarantee it at this time. It's going to be 49, 50, 51%. Okay, my funnels are always highly congruent. They're converting. There's mid-ticket included. You make 50% on everything. And then you got the contest, of course, and you know there's going to be a nice bonus page as well and all that good stuff. So check out the JV page. We're adding more resources, the demo video, review access, bonuses, all that good stuff is going to be available in the JV document. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email or on Skype. The information is at the bottom of this page. Obviously, make sure that you, number one, grab your affiliate link. Make sure that you really promote the pre-launch webinar. If you want to have a great chance in the opening contest, you want to have your leads listening and watching the pre-launch webinar where I'm going to sell the whole funnel to them. Create a good bonus package with congruent bonuses in addition to the bonuses that we provide you with. Make a unique bonus. That is super important as well. And you're going to have a great chance to not only maximize your commissions, but also to win the actual JV contest, okay? So that pretty much is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please reach out. In my opinion, you know, if you wonder what the next step is right now, check out the JV page, grab your links, super important. Sign up for updates, okay? So if I have to change anything in the structure of the funnel so that you get the news. And then also, like I said, promote the pre-launch, okay? Super, super helpful product. Great for local marketers, online marketers, agencies, video marketers, also for freelancers. It has mass appeal and it's based on the two highest converting angles right now on JVZoo. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the leaderboard.